Sometimes when you get your bear, when he's arrived in the mail, he might look a little messy like this. And this guy was made out of faux fur or synthetic. And he's extra fluffy, so he looks a little extra messed up. I have, for my little bears, I have a toothbrush that I actually use to brush my bears. And so I'll go like, I always like to fluff up his foot paw pads. But of course the face is what we're going for. And that's the most messed up. So I'm just gonna brush him a little. Here we go. And there, now he looks better than I do after I've traveled a few hundred miles.